Meaning of faint.
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 Faint. Faint is an adjective that describes a feeling or state of being weak, dizzy, and close to losing consciousness. It can also refer to something that is barely visible or audible. When someone faints, they lose consciousness, sometimes for just a few seconds, and may feel lightheaded or dizzy beforehand. Fainting can be caused by a variety of factors, including low blood pressure, dehydration, or emotional stress. While fainting is usually not serious, it can be a sign of underlying medical conditions that require treatment.